An important requirement in a hybrid data landscape is consistency. A unified definition of data helps achieve consistency and is employed across different databases and applications. One way to do this is to have the business definition of the data applied across the landscape so users, both technical and business, are on the same page. Let us take a look at how DvSum employs powerful AI algorithms to automate semantic tagging of data, infer relationships, and generate cleansing recommendations. Let's begin. Let's say I have a simple data set with three fields: company ID, company name, and company tier. Company tier classifies the company name into distinct categories such as large, small, target, and very large. Let's see how we can catalog this dataset in DvSum. After cataloging our data onto the DvSum, we can see some details about our field company tier. We can see that it has automatically been profiled, and we can see a neat distribution of our data. However, if we look into the entity, it has been assigned the company tier entity. However, we know that according to our business glossary definition, the company tier column name falls under the enterprise segment category. So what do we do? I'm going to go ahead and click on the edit button. I'm going to scroll down to my company tier column. I'm going to delete the company tier entity. I'm now going to type out enterprise segment. Great. We can see that the description has automatically been added. I'm going to approve the action, and then I'm going to save this. We can now see that our company tier column name has been associated with the enterprise segment entity. Now let us see how DvSum learns from our inputs to correctly and accurately classify an external dataset with similar characteristics. Now let's bring in an external dataset. We can see this dataset is similar but different in the sense that company tier field has been replaced with size of a company. The categorical values are also different. DvSum should have automatically learned and classified this under the enterprise segmentation category. Great. Now we're going to go ahead and upload the external data onto our CRM data folder in DvSum. Let's take a look how DvSum has classified our external dataset. After scanning and uploading, I'm going to jump onto the data dictionary view. I'm going to click on recently refreshed. I'm going to click onto the external dataset. I'm going to click on the data tab, and then I'm going to go into the dictionary view. I can see that the size of the company has automatically been tagged to the enterprise segment entity. Now, this is important to note. Let's say that I'm an analyst and I need to find all the data relating to enterprise segmentation. I can simply search the entire catalog for enterprise segment, and I can see that DvSum has automatically found all the data relating to enterprise segment, even though they possess different names. This will greatly improve speed of data discovery. To recap, DvSum's powerful AI algorithms correctly classified a new external dataset based on previous inputs that we had provided. Interested to learn more? Sign up for free today at dvsum.ai.